So today we're sitting here with Clayton Ferris, and we're basically designing his hairline and moving forward with our surgical plans.
And I'm excited for this.
We try to go for this golden ratio.
This is 6.5.
So we can kind of play with that and see where we find our good happy medium. Going up to 7.5 is fine for you, and then
The characters I play, who I am in live game, would just be weird if I walked in and I all of a sudden had this like really low
yeah.
hair.
So we want to go. Do you like where this is laying?
Yeah, I like
Okay.
that actually.
So we'll
As long as you think it'll still look, I guess, like appropriate, you know what
yeah,
I mean?
we're never gonna let you walk out looking, you know.
Yeah.
So what I can do, let me try to trace this out and see how it looks if I kind of raise the corners by about a 0.5 centimeter and see how that looks.
Make sure, giving you options that are going to look good. That's basically my job.
Because like really like the main loss that I've had, like it's, I mean, all this is thinned obviously, but I don't even know if I ever had hair like right there.
Yeah.
I mean, I did when I was young.
Yeah. That's a good point to maintaining your originality.
Yeah,
Just-
it's keeping the like character, like I play characters and I just want to like, actually my hairstylist was like, kind of walked me, he was like, just be careful that you don't like completely lose your, but that's been on my mind anyways. So that's the conversation. This is what I wanted to talk about, and I feel good with this.
Oh, I'm so glad. Okay, who is this older ancestor? We need to find, I don't know. So it's like a crystal ball.
Yeah,
Maybe my grandpa did have like, he was a little more on the bold side.
But yeah. No,
But I don't think I was gonna go bald. I just was.
Okay, there you have it. I just had a consultation for a hair transplant at Parsa Mohebi. It went really, really good. It went good. I don't know. Should I? I think I might be getting a hair transplant. I think I might be doing it.